Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore online stores in Bitrix24. And by the end of the video, you will have all the insights of how to use and configure and publish the online store in Bitrix24. So let's begin. In Bitrix24, you can create an online store in few clicks. Start selling and earning money without complicated settings. For creating an online store, you have to click on the create button. After clicking on the create button, here you have got different online store templates available like CRM plus online store, classic online store for clothing, handmade items or product on sale. So you can select any of these templates. So we'll go with the online store. Here you can create your online store in just few clicks. Click on the create button. After that, you can add your personalized domain to it or the system which Bitrix24 gives the domain. You can also use that. You can give this online store name like fashion store. You can add your mobile number if you want. Also, it can be editable afterwards. After going updating the context, the second one is the products. In you can manage the product which have been added in your Bitrix24 CRM. So from there you can edit or add the product. Also you can view how what all products have been there. From here you will click on next. Okay, your store is now up and running. So you can publish this store in the Bitrix24. Also you can scan it from your mobile phone. Okay, place an order to make sure everything is running smoothly. You can order it from online. The store has been created as per the system. So from here, you can just start selling the product. As you can see, your product is published over here. While the store has been published, you can also update the payment system or add customized payment system as per your requirement and your need. You can add payment system over here. As you can see, it is cash, PayPal, internal account, can be of different logos as well for identification. So from here you can add the payment system like cash on delivery, including wire transfer fee, payment for cash on delivery, PayPal, CRM documents, and all these things. You can add the handler's name. You can add the description of the payment system logo. As we have selected PayPal, it has been updated over here. And all these things you can enter the data as well. What are the values or the password for the account, and you can just save it. So it has been updated over here. So this is basically the online store what we explore in today's session. Okay, and you can easily place order or review the order that you have received in your online store from here itself. Place a test order or view orders in the CRM. Both options are available for the usage. The products you can view from here. It the card has been summarized. Whatever content in your online store is summarized over here. Pages and all these things. What all the pages present in your online store. You can add the custom pages as you want in the online store. So this is all about the online store what we have in Bitrix24. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.